Hello. Welcome back to a brand new vlog in Agra. And today we are on the streets of Agra doing what we do the best, eating our hearts out. This is Utsav with my wife Urvi, and let's go bonkers with some amazing local cuisine in Agra. We have just arrived at Rambabu's Paratha Wala. This is on NH19 just opposite to Mariam's tomb, and we are going to go in and have some awesome vegetarian food. They have a lot of options in the parathas. I think we'll be spoiled for choice. So we are in Rambabu's Paratha Wala. We are sitting inside the restaurant and we have a huge vegetarian food spread. We have ordered paneer paratha, gobi paratha and a special chocolate paratha. We have a nice set of pickles and jaggery along with those parathas and a whole lot of options in their menu. They have given us a lot of jaggery, and paratha is one of my favorite combination. I will definitely look forward to try that. First I thought of having a go at the gobi paratha. Just see the stuffing, just look at it. It's so flavorful. I can smell it. It smells so good. There are these small chunks of gobi mixed along with lots of masala, and you can see lots of fennel being used in it. Let me have a bite of the paratha itself. Has a very soothing flavor. We ordered parathas and along with it we have got 3 kind of curries. Each of these curry add a whole lot of dimension to the taste, and they have given us 3 different curries here. First is the spicy version made out of chickpeas and potatoes. Second one is the curry. This is made out of curd, mustard, curry leaves and a whole lot of spices. But I will start with the mixed veg. Predominantly it has potatoes and pumpkins. They have given a lentil based curry, a sour curry and a vegetable made with lot of mixtures of vegetable. There is pumpkin, there is potato and the spices, there are whole spices in it. Together you can eat it perfectly with the parathas, the crispy parathas. They are making a very nice soothing combination. Spice level is not that high, it's very low, and it's a 100% vegetarian restaurant. They have fantastic parathas and vegetarian diet out here. Paratha is extremely crispy from inside, and inside there are a lot of stuffing. They have added lot of spices along with the stuffing, making it beautifully delicious. Up next we have the paneer paratha, and mind you, these are the Mughlai parathas. They are the Mughlai versions, so they'll be very crispy when you are here. These are deep fried versions of paratha. They have been deep fried for a long period in clarified butter. Next I will have some paneer paratha. The gobi paratha was extremely flavorful, and let me see how the paneer paratha is. Again, the flavor is very mild but very tasty. These parathas are very addictive. You just keep on ordering them until you are full. And I almost forgot to mention that they have given some chutneys and some pickles. The jaggery and those crispy paratha, they kind of make a magical combination. Anyone who has had that before would definitely relate to what I am saying. I suppose there is nothing better than as a breakfast combination as paratha and jaggery.
Now it is time for the showstopper. This paratha is very different from the usual parathas. It's filled with chocolate and I am very excited to try it.
Yeah, and top of it, this is deep fried. This is a combination coming straight from heavens. Yeah, so now it's time for some chocolate paratha. I have been having paratha all my life but never had a chocolate paratha before. Let me try it. Hot crispy paratha, lots of chocolate stuffing from inside. It's a super delicious paratha. I think this place deserves more fame just for the parathas that they serve.
We just had an awesome meal. It was so wholesome and so nice. I never had a paratha like this before. It was so crispy and crunchy. And the best part was the chocolate paratha. It was oozing with chocolates. It was amazingly great. We highly recommend this place. You should definitely check it out when you are in Agra. We were so full after that huge spread at the Ram Babu's Paratha. So after a small break, now we are ready again to explore some more food in Agra. And now we are heading to Sadar Bazaar, which happens to be the street food heaven in Agra. So let's go and check it out. Just as you come to the end of the Chaat Gali, you encounter the Mama's Frankie. Once you reach there, it's a very colorful and musical vibe. It's very happening. Lots of people are eating here. We'll go in and check how the food is.
Now we are standing in front of Mama's Frankie. This is a very popular night joint in Agra. We have ordered a chicken Frankie which is supposed to be very popular and we are waiting for the order. It comes nice and warm wrapped up in this foil. Time to taste. Soft delicious rolls. Shish kebab sits inside with lots of onion and Rumali roti that has been wrapped around. It's very delicious. Now I know why it's so popular. Wonderful. Very juicy meat inside and tremendously soft bread. Look at the shish kebabs sitting inside that Rumali roti wrap. They are so pretty. Minced chicken with loads of ginger, garlic and coriander. And the sliced onion and green chilies, they are a great accompaniment. And as it turned out that we have been ordering more rolls in Mama's Frankie and now we are moving towards Sadar Bazaar to have some more chaats.
When you are in Agra, visiting the Chaat Gali is a must and we have to explore the food here. So let's go and explore some chaats and foods that are found here.
Oh my god, lots of crowd, lots of food and here we are in Chaat Gali in Agra. If there was any street food heaven then this is it. We are here, we'll have lots of street food here. Our first stop is the Agra Chaat House. Just look at the queue, just look at the madness to get the street foods. I have got a aloo tikki chaat. The centerpiece is a potato patty mixed with loads of tomatoes, sliced onions and a whole lot of green chilies. Lots of tamarind, lots of green chilies and those crispy crunchy potatoes. What combination! And they give some pomegranates and raisins to top it. Oh, as I was speaking, Urvi got herself another plate.
Couldn't resist. So our next stop is the Sri Agarwal Chaat House. Let's go and savor on some more chaats. And from there we got the famous Agra Aloo Chaat. This is the crispy, juicy, and very tasty. It's very delicious. Now we are moving towards the Sri Agarwal Chaat House. Let's go and savor on some more chaats. And from there we got the famous Agra Aloo Chaat. This is the crispy, potato chaat, and the potatoes are chopped and deep fried and topped up with some green chutney, as we can see, and also there are some ground masalas added to it.
Should be done tasty. The crispy potatoes are kind of the heart of this tasty street food. This is the aloo chaat. There are lots of masalas and sauce on this, and they have topped it up with some onion. It's 8 o'clock now and this place is buzzing with people. I guess this is very safe and convenient to get around here.
I am quite fascinated to see the amount of food and options available here. And so many people are flocking around here. It's very busy. And all the chaat shops are busy making charts and different options. There are lots of options. The aloo chaat, the aloo tikki chaat. Those are the things famous in Agra. And also faludas. And also there are kulfis, pani puris, and everybody is having something or the other. It's very fascinating to see.
Our final stop for the day is Sri Ram restaurant. We are here to end our day on a sweet note with some faluda. We got a special version of the mango butterscotch faluda. The restaurant waiter saw us filming. He was very friendly. He asked us to get this. As I can see, a very rich and creamy texture. These things generally don't disappoint. Time for some sweets, and we are having mixed faluda. Lots of ice cream vermicelli given in there. Let me taste it. Lots of bananas with sweet sauce. Really great to have after the street food.
I almost finished the entire faluda by myself. It was so delicious and so creamy with lots of kheer and ice cream, butterscotch ice cream, and there was kulfis as well. It was awesome. With a content heart and a full stomach, we'll end today's video, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note, and stay tuned until we go bonkers in the next one.